Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Nokia T20 tablet. The Nokia T20 is the most recent tablet to be released. The Nokia T20 is a tablet that was released following HMT Global's acquisition of Nokia. This is a budget tablet, an affordable tablet. It can do all of the basics, such as watching movies, checking email, and browsing the web. However, in order to do serious computing, if you're in the market for a tablet, it is preferable to purchase an iPod. It is an appropriate tablet, can be purchased for children. This tablet is compatible with Android 11. Google has added two new features. The first is the entertainment space, which will assist you in bringing all of your streaming apps together. The second is the kids space, which will assist you in keeping your children safe. The Nokia design and screen are excellent. This tablet is manufactured in a variety of ways. The Nokia T20 is designed to look like a high-end tablet. Nokia has created an excellent tablet for the price. In the United Kingdom, the Nokia T20 costs £179.99. Australia. In the United States it costs US $249.99, 349 Australian dollars to purchase. With a weight of 465 grams, this tablet is very easy to hold. You can do it with one hand. If you hold the tablet in landscape orientation, a power button on the left, a volume button on the top left, and a USB port on the right. It also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. Aside from the aluminium body, the body has been given a nice matte texture. The Nokia T20 tablet is now only available in one color, the deep ocean. It's a very dark blue. The Nokia T20 tablet has an IP52 rating and is splash-proof. However, it is not completely water-resistant. The 10.45-inch tablet is ideal for watching and browsing films. When compared to other tablets, this price is reasonable. The best tablet is the Nokia T20. It has excellent color balance and contrast. The curved corners of the bases around the edges of the display also contribute to its sleek appearance. The Nokia T20 is equipped with a Unisoc T610 processor and 4 GB of RAM. The T20 tablet has 64 GB of storage. There are also models with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. This tablet has a microSD card slot, which allows us to expand the storage. Aside from the Wi-Fi model, a 4G LTE model is also available. Video retouching, photo retouching to engage in sophisticated gaming. I do not recommend the Nokia T20 tablet, but we can do all of the other basic things on it. The stereo speakers on the T20 tablet are very good. It allows you to watch movies and listen to podcasts. If you want to take photos with your tablet, the T20 has a single-lens MP camera. This, I believe, is done as part of its cost-cutting measures. The 5MP camera is provided as a selfie camera. It can be used to make video calls. I believe these two cameras. This is a drawback of the Nokia T20. Nobody buys a tablet solely for the purpose of taking photos and videos. The tablet is powered by Android 11. Android 12 and Android 13 will be available in the future, according to HMT Global. As a result, we can use this tablet for a longer period of time. The 8200 mAh battery is the best Nokia T20 battery. You can spend 7 hours online meeting, 10 hours watching movies or 15 hours browsing. The Nokia T20 is a good option if you're looking for a good tablet on a tight budget. The Nokia T20 is the best tablet for children. Google Kids Space gives parents the ability to give their children tablet control. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe and share.